let's try a new energy drink from Monster. This is in the Juice Monster series, and this flavor is called the Aussie Lemonade. You can learn more about pricing and availability with the link in the description below. As always, let's check out the can first. I'm going to put that up to the camera, and you'll be able to see that above the Monster logo there is sun shining into the water. On both sides of the logo we have sea creatures, so this is a very nice aquatic marine theme on the can. I think it looks pretty good. Not entirely sure what that has to do with lemonade, but we're about to find out, because I'm going to open up the can, pour this into a glass, and then we're going to have a closer look and a taste. Here we have our drink in a glass. Let's put that up to the camera, and you'll be able to see that this is almost completely opaque. I don't think you'll be able to see any of the bubbles. This is mildly carbonated, so it foamed a little bit when I poured it into the glass. As for this color though, I don't really like it. It looks very artificial. This doesn't exactly remind me of anything natural, so no, not a huge fan of this part of the drink design. But maybe the flavor will make up for it. Let's give it a try. No, I don't really like it. That light carbonation is not what I associate with lemonade. Typically lemonade is not carbonated. I'm still bothered by the color, and I actually had a sip straight out of the can before I poured it into the glass, and I think I would have been happier not knowing the artificial color of this drink. As for the flavor, it is in the direction of lemon, but this is too sweet for me. It's not refreshing enough. This is not really what I expected. No, so this is a big pass on me on the Aussie Lemonade. I've loved many of the other drinks in the Juice Monster series, but this is not one of them. Regardless, if you want to learn more about it, check it out with the link in the description below the video. Luckily, there are many other great Monster energy drinks. Click or tap the screen right here to watch my playlist of all the Monster reviews that I've done here on this channel, 2-minute reviews. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.